Ethereum could rise 2.8% by March 1, per Crypto Predictions data. To begin, here's a quick look at the recent price behavior. As we record this, Ethereum is showing a 5.8% decrease and is trading near $1,927.52. It's time for expert takes on the market. Based on Crypto Predictions' data, the price could hit $1,981 by tomorrow, an increase of roughly 2.8%. Coin price forecast sees a path for Ethereum to reach $1,939, implying a move up of 0.7%. Cryptonization notes the chance of moving downward to $1,924.58, implying a loss of 0.1%. A different outlook from Traders Union expects Ethereum could sink to $1,911.68, a decrease estimated near 0.8%. To finish 30 rates aims for $1,810 by tomorrow. That's 6% under today's price. This is the most rewarding forecast in this set. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. Forecasts are in. Time to check the projected figures. After pulling together all available outlooks, the market may move between a drop of 6% and an increase of 2.8%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that 30 rates predicts the highest return with 6% surge in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $1 and $60 for every $1,000 you invest. When we look at the odds, cryptonization takes the top with a 93.8% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've put together a consensus outlook. The consensus projection shows Ethereum flat, trading near $1,913.25. Let's unpack the numbers. According to the consensus, the price could fall by 0.7% by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also advance by 0.7%. A 1,000 base investment could reflect about $7 in profit. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 91.8%. As the next step, let's review the short-term 3-day predictions. Crypto predictions suggest that the near-term outlook points to balance, with prices holding steady. Coin price forecast indicates a positive trajectory in the short run. Cryptonization suggests the market will hold its ground. Traders Union notes bearish momentum building up. 30 rates sees the chart tilted toward growth. Bringing all forecasts together, the consensus points to Ethereum remaining largely unchanged. So overall, most analysts agree on an upward tendency, highlighting strength in Ethereum's short-term outlook. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. In the end, the final outcome was $1,929.75. The outcome showed that only a small number of the forecasts matched reality. If accuracy is the measure, then crypto predictions came out on top. Now it's time to go through the results systematically. The actual candle range contained 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, several results turned positive, with crypto predictions showing the best return of 5.2%. And now, the overall results are on screen. Everything in one view. Crypto predictions displays 68.7% forecast probability accuracy and 5.2% ROI. Try to spot whose forecast turned out the most precise. Here's a quick visual of tomorrow's forecasted returns showing Ethereum compared with the rest of the market. Tomorrow's leading asset is Dogecoin with 1.8% in forecasted profitability, placing it above Ethereum. For now, I've compared Ethereum with just 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison and analyst performance overview will soon be published on my website and Telegram. If you're following Ethereum forecast, hit like to show you want more updates like this. Catch you in the next forecast summary.